Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the battery saver option on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and select the settings button. And then you want to select the battery button here. And then where it says battery saver, click inside of here. If you want to enable battery saver, you can click inside the oval one time to turn it on. Otherwise, you can disable it. And you can also do it extreme battery saver, which does even more battery saving options. Please keep in mind this will impact the performance of your phone. The more you're trying to save the battery, the slower the phone's going to be. So just keep that in mind. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.